What is going on, my party people? Money Squad, we on the road on this lovely Sunday. As you can see, look at it. The sun is out, shining bright like a diamond. One take Jake, out and about. Got these shoes. I done had it for a while. I decided to share with you actually what I have, all right? I watching some game. Been a long, rough weekend for Emoneyshoes teams taking cracks left and right. My Auburn Tigers, they got skull drugged. My basketball team, Auburn Tiger, they got skull drugged by the number one team. So both of them played number one team. And then my Raiders, they lost to Atlanta Falcons. You have got to be kidding me. Derek Carr, you suck. And then that fight last night, Mike Tyson, I watched it on YouTube. Mike Tyson and Roy Jones, at least a lot to be desired. Good thing I didn't pay $49.99, or I would have been pissed. Shout out to everyone yesterday for stopping through for Who Has the Heat. A very dope battle between the sneaker connoisseur, One Handsome V, aka DeCarlo. Very dope. We had to cancel today's show. One person wasn't able to make it, so we had to forfeit. And we got to keep the show moving along. Next week in the building will be 4th John and 10.5 in the Final Four, along with my fam, 313 Retro Queen, MCFLYKOF, PMKICKZ, and don't forget to subscribe to everybody on my feature channel, all of them, Ashley Reviews, Ash Cat, Shoes Up, Sleeves Down, Pam Money, and Jonah Vlogs, and I also have Melanie Sweden on this way. So go check all them out. I got a little bit of something in those features for all of y'all. Yes, that's right. I said for all of y'all. Welcome my new subscribers, continued subscribers. Thank you for checking out the channel. Now, we're going to be, like I said, we are going to do a giveaway pretty soon. I don't know what I'm going to do. Maybe something small, maybe something big. I don't know if it's going to be monetary or shoes, but it's going to be something. So be on the lookout for that. So have those notification bells ready. Now, I've did enough talking. I done had this shoe for a while. I haven't worn the shoe, but bam, yes, you see it right here. You got the elephant print box. You got the dope. I like the way they do this. Up here, you got the laser on with the white. Ladies, they hooked y'all up with this shoe. Most people already know if you have this shoe or this kind of box and this type of pattern on your shoe, you already know it's an Air Jordan 3. So what this is the women's Air Jordan 3 Retro official colorway, white, black, laser, orange. Suggested retail price $190 of them things. So don't be judging me because I can fit a woman's shoe. A lot of guys wish they could fit this shoe. As you can see, 10.5 men's is a 12 women's. And yes, I did have to pay resale for these joints because it was kind of similar to the Lakers colorway. Anybody know me know I like the Lakers. So like I said, dope box, nice presentation. You got your paper wafer right inside. I copped these joints from GOAT. They was a little bit more than I wanted, but I had to have them. So sometimes you got to pay to play. GOAT right there. They do all their little stuff. GOAT sticker. Here's there. And I actually did a lace swap on these joints. And bam! Look at that lace swap. I used the laces from my my 4 unions on these joints. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Look at that. It just goes perfect. Look at that. Dope. I don't know. Do I have... These are not the OG laces. Oh, I got the OG laces right there. This is what it come with. These plainer Janers. But these are fly, in my opinion. Look underneath the bottom. You got that laser orange hit. This is a Tinker Hatfield shoe. This is the shoe that actually put Jordan, I think, really on the map. Because he jumped from the free throw line in these joints, right? So that's where you got the free throw line. Threes are not my favorite silhouette. Anybody know who follow me know 4s are my favorite silhouette. So underneath, you see you got your Jordan. It's gonna get dirty with the white, but you got your laser orange here, and it's just really popping on this screen, let me tell you. Then you got your elephant print, you see that? And you got that basketball old stank or rankle with the perforated holes there with the laser orange hit. My lace swap there, banging with the see-through laser orange tag. So this should look like so. All right, like that. I don't think they made these an extended side. I think they just went up to, I think 12 or something like that. So people, sorry for you guys, big footers. Sorry, too bad, so sad, right? As you can see on this side, more of the laser orange hits. Dope. You see you got the air unit. The air unit would have been dope if it had the laser orange, but hey, it is what it is. Coming on the back, you got air on the ass. Not Nike Air, but air. That's it. Air. All right? Nothing behind there. You don't hit no time, no nothing. Right there, more elephant print. Then you have this on the media side, nothing, no swoosh, no checks, no nothing on that, but just a plainer Janer. But the leather on these is dope. Like I said, as you can see, the rankle, stankle, and it is soft. Yes, soft. And you can see around the sock liner is white. So you know what that means. You gotta have white laces, all right? White laces. I mean, not white laces, white socks, all right? Black socks, you're gonna have sock bunnies, so you already know that. Shoe tree always should be like the sole, right? 10 and a half on there with the Jordan right in the middle. And you can see the insole. I mean, it's just dope. So fire with my lace. I'm so happy with this lace swap. Very dope. And way down in yonder, you see you got your thing. You can do your QR code and all of that little good stuff, but that is far down deep in there. I seen a little bit of imperfections on the shoe. Got a couple of paint issues, right? You got like right there, you see that? You see that? You see that? Busted. But hey, it is what it is. I ain't gonna sweat it. Like I said, I had these for about at least a month. So this one here, very dope in my opinion. Like I said, I think these, for some reason, I don't like the black cement, but when they put the elephant print on the white, I think it pops. It pops really hard. It just, I don't know about when it goes on darker color, but white on the elephant print, it is fire. Just like the what's the name? The Katrina joints or something they call Hall of Fame. But let's get to the litty lit meter on these joints. Spinning around with this lace swap, it would be, let me see, out of 5, I would give it about a 4.6 out of 5. 4.6 out of 5. But with the lace swap, I give it about a 4.8 out of 5, right? 4.8 out of 5. You can let me know in the comment suggestions below. Do you agree? Do you disagree with this lace swap? All right. So tell a family member, friend of a friend. We're going to try to get to 10K. That's our next goal. 10K, 1 million views. Thanks for all the love and support. Emoneyshoes. I'm out. Peace.